feel like we're in a moat. This is rough. Preparing for the flood. We've put everything on blocks. Bed is on blocks. But don't worry, we did make it. I don't know, it's the one thing in our life that's like actually together right now. Yeah, everything's on blocks. Apparently I live on a lake now. I don't know if y'all knew that. Welcome. We had to pull Adam's car in the garage.
And almost no more grass.
Almost no more grass. That's it. The one little kidney bean of grass left. I totally feel like this is apocalyptic right now. There's no one around. That's our neighbor. He's left hours ago. And his car is just beep, beep. And the rain, I'm telling you, and the rain continues. I feel like I'm going crazy. Like, the noise you hear in the background, if you can hear that, other than the car siren, is the airboats trying to save people. I cannot even. Oh, it stopped. Y'all heard that? It keeps doing this. It stops, and then it goes, and then it stops, and then it goes. And no one's been there for hours. It's got so much water in this car, my poor. It's coming into our garage now, so that's a little bit of an issue. You can see it's just bouncing right off, and the rain's not stopping. I don't understand. It's right here. And here's when it starts to get in the garage. Oh my God, what? It's just gonna keep rising. If it keeps raining, which it is. And by the way, there is an entire frog family in this garage. I don't know where y'all are hiding at. Frogs and spiders and all kinds of things that have crawled in here because of the flood. Where y'all at? Moving the basil plant. I think we're gonna wake up at 3 to a flood.
Can I push this to the side and we'll prop it up one more level?
Son of a... What do you think, Apollo? I know you like the pool, but did you want one in your house? I think he likes it. Did Mom and Dad like it? Not really. I just want to say, Capital One, thanks for your mobile deposit. We got some birthday checks that we're depositing right now. We're gonna surely need that money after this freaking weekend. Just, you know, just dancing around in some water. Hey, Scout. The king. Oh.
Why did he come down?
I don't know. It's wet, buddy.
Help him out. Come on. No.
raining again. It's raining. Of course it is. Where's the blue sky? I miss you so much. This is the one little patch of dry land, the one little island left in the house. Everywhere else is completely flooded except this one little place. Aww. Literally, that's what's left of the little island.
About 10 minutes.
That's it. Check it out for yourselves. Boop. We're currently trying to jack my car up in the garage because water was getting pretty high. Water was getting pretty high. Adam's going to jack the back. He's got a truck, thank God. There you go, there you go. Harvey, you will not win. I swear to you, you will not defeat us. No matter how hard you try. We're gonna fight back. We're gonna fight right back. We have a visitor. I think I'm gonna try to save him. Hold on, little guy. He's tired, but I'm gonna go let him outside in the backyard where there's grass. It's okay, little buddy. I gotcha. All lives matter. Just FYI, all lives right now. Now it's about damage control. All of these on the legs. Just in case it gets higher. This is the level. Hey, buddy. Paulo. Okay with that drool. He's on a mission. Dad's in the attic. Honey, what'd you just say?
Such is life.
C'est la vie, c'est la vie. We're about to saw up some wood, put under more furniture. I think I have the cabin fever. If y'all wanted to see.
So we're looking at several days.
Well, guys,
this
is it. This is what a flood looks like. Welcome.
We're gonna go over to
We're leaving now, the Coast Guard. My brother's coming to get us.
Do y'all recommend we do anything? What I've done so far?
We've done all we can do. Our friends came and saved us. Buy a house. This is it. We're on our way out.
Hey, boy.
Hey, boy. Are we getting to safety? Come on, man. Come on, buddy. You got it. Are you singing Purple Rain? We're making it. We're about waist deep. Oh, we're getting up a little higher, guys. Oh! We got the unicorn floaty out here to save the day with an air mattress. Good for pools and floods.